Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a 1946 Harley Davidson WL. It's powered by a 750cc power plant with brand new pistons and rods. So essentially the motor's been rebuilt. The heads are number 6 heads and they've been rebuilt as well. You've got a brand new wiring harness, so it's got the cloth wiring harness throughout the whole thing. You also have Harley Davidson foot arrests along with JW pedal covers. It has a drag style exhaust, so that's what they would do back then. That's a replica of what it would be. The wheels have been completely rebuilt and re-spoked. You've got your spare spark plug holder here. You've got your chrome kickstart. And then when you're looking at the frame, it's a powder coated frame, and this is not one from China. This is from Europe. This is a European frame. That's the way to go if you're gonna do a build like this. Engine sounds amazing, but it's about 99 degrees outside, and I'm not opening up that door and getting in that heat today. You have a Crocker Style taillight, which looks really awesome. I don't know if you can see how it's lit up. And that's where you put your license plate. Tires are brand new, and then the seat was done by Elizabeth Leathers. They did a great job. You can see all the stitching here. And then I do like how they did the design in here. And you have this is your back support when you're going over bumps. Oh, front fork. So it's got a 7/8 fork in the front, custom handlebars as well. And then it has the JW brake reservoir and stainless lines. Brakes have been completely rebuilt. The Blackcherry flows from the rear fender to the gas tank to the front fender. All the brackets have been powder coated in black or painted in black. The paint is extremely nice. You've got your Harley Davidson horn right here, which operates. And you can see all the cloth is in very nice shape. Come over here, I want to show you the carburetor. Let me get off the bike. So it's got a 4-bolt carb. This is not normally what it would come with, and then it's got a cover here instead of a filter. What this will do is when you're going down the road, the dust is not going straight into it. It's got to go the opposite direction. You've got a chrome cover here for your gear case. Clutches are fiber, so it will hold power. You can drive it. You can actually drive this bike. It's not only an art piece. If this was my bike still, if we weren't selling it, it would stay in the living room, but my wife would not allow that. That's pretty much it in regards to this 1946 WL. If you guys have any questions at all, please give us a call, 954-363-2261. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe below because that's gonna help us bring you more content. Let us know what you wanna see next. We've got a ton of toys in here. Thanks again.